thank you for joining me in this special order hour. It has been really just a wonderful experience to hear from our colleagues from across the country and across the aisle talk about the value of this program. Certainly we heard Mr. Thompson of Pennsylvania talked about the impact that 340B, the program, has on hospitals, their ability to operate, their ability to provide service, and their ability to be there for their patients, the importance that this program has to the operation of our healthcare system here in the United States. We heard from Mr. Pappas of New Hampshire stories about particular people's experience that thanks to the 340B program, patients with a need in communities wanting to serve their constituents have been able to ensure that people who need medication can get it through the 340B program. Mr. O'Halloran of Arizona highlighted the value of this program in rural communities across the United States. And Mr. Davis of Illinois talked about the creation of federally qualified health centers and how vital the 340B program is to their ability to serve their patients, their communities, and our communities. Mr. Garcia of Illinois told a really specific story about the impact of 340B on a patient with diabetes and what he's hearing directly from constituents. And certainly, Mr. Rose, in our comments back and forth, my colleague and I have talked about the value of this program, the intent of this program, and our efforts to ensure that pharmaceutical companies and pharmacy benefit managers are not breaking the law and are not raiding the coffers of the 340B discount program. So I want to close out tonight by just thanking all of the members who came to the floor, all of the members who support legislation to support this vital program, and all of the members who recognize the value of the 340B program within their district. Again, I want to give a very special thanks to my friend from Tennessee for helping manage the floor during this special order hour. And since it came into being nearly 30 years ago, 340B has enabled a strong healthcare safety net that has served thousands of communities and millions of patients. It's been a lifeline for hospitals, health centers, and clinics that serve patients with low incomes, especially those who are uninsured or on Medicaid, and those in rural areas. It has done so with strong bipartisan support and without costing any taxpayer dollars. Again, these savings allow our communities' hospitals to stretch those federal dollars, to save those federal dollars. This program does not cost a single taxpayer dollar. And the 340B drug pricing program is a success story for patient access to care, and we should celebrate it, we should protect it, and we should defend 340B.